Hey everyone, we're going to do a quick repair video for a Porsche 997 Carrera S. This is a cabriolet, and we're going to be replacing the convertible top latch cover here. If we take a look inside, and this may have happened to yours, the top latch cover has fallen off. And if we take a look at this one, there's a small crack kind of right near here. You can see that crack. And what happened to me is it fell off. And if we look in here, the plastic is brittle and has broken. But you can get a new part, and the new part is, let's see, let's show a part number here. It is, see, it's a 997.561.515.00, and sometimes you may see a C after that for a cabriolet. And we'll go ahead and we'll put a new one in. The new part is only about $35 to $40, so it's a quick, easy fix. Here's the new one. And as we look at the new one, we're going to line this up with the back, and as you can see here, this is going to slide in underneath up on that side, and in theory it should just snap right in. So let's go ahead and we'll try to line this up one-handed anyway, and we'll line it up here. And honestly, this should just kind of push it forward and then kind of push it into place. There we go, it clicked in, and we're good. That's really all there is to it. And if we look at back at the original here, we can see that these plastic bits have broken over time, but luckily this is a nice, cheap, inexpensive part. So there you go. There is a quick fix for the soft top latch cover with a part number. Nice, quick, easy fix, and very inexpensive. Good luck, everybody. If you have any questions, please let me know.